The world is rushing past us, chasing deadlines, chasing time. Lost in the future, obsessed with the next climb. But look right here beside us, just slow down and see the quiet, gentle magic that happens naturally. The way the light hits softly, the coffee's perfect steam. A scene too sweet for dreaming, better than any dream. Don't let the small things vanish, don't let them disappear. These are the quiet anchors that keep us steady here. Hold your breath just for a second, let the rush subside. We're living in beautiful moments, we have to freeze the frame. Tiny flashes of perfection, worth more than fortune or fame. It's the unexpected laughter, the hand held in the rain, the sudden clear awareness that we won't pass this way again. These simple, honest treasures, we collect them one by one. These are the beautiful moments beneath the morning sun. I remember sitting silently, just watching you read a book. The comfortable, easy feeling in every single look. No need for grand pronouncements, no need for drama or noise. Just the pure, shared existence, filling us with joys. A sudden favorite song playing on the radio, a gentle knowing glance, a quiet, peaceful